Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about the fees for using Questrade. Questrade offers a straightforward fee structure, with many popular investment options being commission-free. For trading stocks and ETFs listed on Canadian and US exchanges, there are no commissions. This is a significant advantage for many investors. However, it's important to understand where other fees may apply. When you trade options, there is a fee of $0 plus 99 cents per contract. For trades of mutual funds, the fee is $9.95 per trade. There are also fees for international equities, and you may encounter ECN and ATS fees, which are small fees charged by the electronic networks where trades are executed. These fees often apply when your order immediately takes liquidity from the market. Questrade also has administrative fees. For instance, transferring an account out to another institution costs $150. You should also be aware of potential fees for things like wire transfers, physical document requests, and inactivity fees, though inactivity fees are often waived if you meet certain criteria. It's always best to review the detailed pricing page on the Questrade website to get the most current and specific information on all fees and charges. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.